Hi home barista, so welcome to another episode. So for this video, I will show you how you can prepare a second-hand espresso machine like the Breville Bambino Plus. I bought this half of the price, so it's a good deal. So I'll show you what are the included accessories. We are going to test each of the function and descale the machine before we can brew espresso or prepare a latte. It comes with the original milk jug, the water tank, about 1.5 liters. The drip tray comes with the empty me indicator. The manual, the original portafilter, the cleaning disc for backflashing, and the dual wall basket for single and double shot. Comes with a razor for trimming the doughs and the original tamper. I think the machine model is from Australia, based from the plug, so the seller provided with the adapter. At the back of the water tank compartment hides the cleaning kit, so it's for your steaming one hole and your portafilter basket. The smaller pin is for the basket and the larger one is for the steaming one hole. So let's assemble now the machine. So I already put the water tank at the back, then your drip tray, now let's add the basket to your portafilter and insert it to the espresso machine. Let's fill water to the water tank. Maybe half is enough for testing. Then I will use the milk jug to catch the water. Then turn on the machine by pressing any of the button. I am now testing the automatic shot, double shot button. Then manual shot, double shot button. Press and hold the double shot button for a few seconds, then release. Then press again to stop the shot. Then same goes with the single shot button, manual shot. Now let's test the steaming by pressing the steam button. Let it steam for a few seconds, then press again to stop. Now let's test the auto purging by lifting the steaming one and putting it back again. Alright, so all features are okay and working. So let's now start to descale the machine. Let's turn off the machine by pressing the single shot and steaming one button at the same time. So what I have here is a descaling liquid. You can also use the descaling powder, but the advantage of the liquid is you don't need to dissolve it in the water. So I will use half of the descaling liquid for one session. Now let's fill the water tank up to the descaling level. Then let's add the descaling liquid. Then return the water tank. So we will need a bowl to catch the water from the espresso machine. Press single shot and steam one button for 5 seconds. Then press again the single shot button to start the scaling process. This run will take about 3 minutes to complete. When the light stops flashing, that means this round is complete. Now let's dispose the water from the bowl. Then remove the water tank and wash it well. Then fill again with tap water. Then return the bowl. So this round is rinsing, so it will take another 3 minutes to complete. Just press again the single shot button. When the buttons stop flashing and all the buttons have illuminated, this means the descaling process is completed. Let's now dispose the water from the bowl and the water from the water tank. Since this model doesn't have a built-in filter, we are going to use bottled water, or you can also use a filtered water. After descaling the machine, I give it a few flash or a few rounds of blank shots. Now let's clean the portafilter by removing the basket. So even I did the blank shot, I noticed there are still stains. So I suspected underneath the plastic, the stains are building up. So I will going to remove the plastic inside the portafilter. As you can see, there are stains building up underneath the portafilter basket, so I'm going to dispose this plastic and clean the portafilter. So I'm going to use cleaning powder that is used for backlashing, add some hot water, then submerge the portafilter. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse with water. So I'm not going to use the double wall basket or the pressurized basket. So I have a spare single wall basket, a double shot. So we're going to use this. Alright, so the machine now is ready to use. So we're going to pull a shot and make a latte.